In this video, you'll learn how to log into Kimi AI. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to access the platform using your Google account. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Kimi AI, which is www.kimi.com, and press the Enter key. Once the page loads, you should see the Kimi AI homepage featuring various options and resources related to the service. Next, locate the login button on the homepage. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed to the login options. After clicking, you will be directed to a new page that presents various methods for logging in. After that, you will see an option labeled Continue with Google. Click on this option to initiate the login process using your Google account. This action will redirect you to the Google account selection screen, where you can choose your account for authentication. On the Google account selection page, you will see a list of your Google accounts. If you're already signed in, select the account you wish to use by clicking on it. If prompted, enter your password to continue. This step is essential for verifying your identity before accessing Kimi AI. Once you have selected your Google account, you may be redirected back to Kimi AI. At this point, you should see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully logged in. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you have access to the Google account you're attempting to use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.